Meaning of Druid.
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 Druid. Druid is a term with multiple meanings and is often associated with Celtic culture. Originally, Druids were members of the professional class in ancient Celtic societies who served as priests, teachers, judges, and advisors. They were known for their knowledge of nature, astronomy, and philosophy. Today, Druidism is a spiritual movement that draws inspiration from the practices of ancient Druids. It emphasizes the importance of harmony with nature and the pursuit of wisdom through personal experience. Additionally, Druids are often depicted in popular culture as magical, mysterious figures with supernatural powers.